Good morning, students. This is Imogen from VOC Vidyalaya. Our topic for today is Prose Lesson 3 Empowered Women Navigating the World Short Answers and Paragraph Answers. We are going to see some 8 short answers and some 2 paragraph answers. But what I want you to do is go through all the short answers and all the paragraph answers at the back of the textbook as well as the additional questions given in your guide. Okay, so just as a model, we are going to see some 8 short answers and 2 paragraph answers for you to have an idea on how to answer them. Now, the first short answer is, what does INSV stand for? INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. You have to be very specific in writing the I, N and S and vessel in capital letters. Now, the second question, when was INSV Tarini commissioned to Indian Navy service? INSV, your answer should be like this. INSV Tarini was commissioned to Indian Navy service on 18th February 2017. In a full sentence form, you have to write the answer. Now moving on to the next short answer. Who is Tara Tarini? After whom was the sailboat named? Tara Tarini is the patron deity for sailors and it is worshipped for safety and success at sea. See, when you are venturing into sea, before you start, you pray. Before any activity, we pray. So, when we go into this thing for go into the sea for the sake of safety, and for what reason we are going, that activity should be successful. For that reason, the sailors pray to the god Tara Tarini. Now, moving on to the next question. Where did the crew undergo their basic training? The crew underwent their basic sail training courses in Mumbai, INWTC, that is an organization. You can go through the expansion in your guides, and at various schools in the Southern Naval Base in Kochi. So these were the places they were trained. The crew underwent their basic sail training courses in Mumbai and at various schools in Kochi. Moving on to the next question. How long were they trained to undertake this voyage? They were almost trained for 3 years to prepare for the voyage. They had to undergo the training for 3 years, not just a day or two. For 3 years, they had to undertake the training to prepare for the voyage. Now, moving on to the next question. Which skill was considered important in the selection process? Survival skill. At any cost, they must know to survive. That is what they check for. Okay. This survival skill was considered important in the selection process. When they selected them, they were looking for only one skill, which is the survival skill. At any cost, I have to live. That is the survival skill. Moving on to the next question. Who mentored the crew? The crew was mentored by Commander Dilip Donde. The Commander Dilip Donde only was guiding the trainees, that is the 6 women who were the crew members. So he was training them to undertake the voyage. Moving on to the next question. Which quality of the skipper helped to bring out a successful expedition? So what was she specialized in? She was very honest. This Vartika Joshi was a honest person. The honest quality of the skipper helped to bring out a successful expedition. She was very successful because of that one particular quality, honesty. You can go through the entire answer and you can write the entire answer, but specifically if they ask you, you can just wind up the answer like this. But for a 2-mark answer, you will have to write the entire answer. Don't just highlight on points. Now moving on to the next question. We are moving on to the paragraph answers. Now in the paragraph answers, this is the paragraph answer given at the back of the textbook. I want you to go through the extra paragraph answers given also. They might ask anything. So we cannot take risk being the board exam. Highlight the factors responsible for the all-women Indian Navy crew to carry out their expedition. So what were the factors which contributed to the successful expedition? That we are going to see in this answer. The advancement of technology and media. The media and the technology were very advanced. The crew members were able to operate that. That was one reason. And none of them was acquainted with a sailboat. It was a fresh new experience for them. Nobody was acquainted with a sailboat. Initially it was difficult to take the sailboat to sea, and just like that they cannot take a sailboat to sea. It was initially very very difficult, because in case of any holes or anything they had to repair, and all that things were there included in that expedition. The crew was the first Indian all. So totally there were Indians only in the ship. It was skippered by Commander Vartika Joshi. Under the captainship of Vartika Joshi only, the ship was taken into the sea. Now moving on to the next question. Write in detail about the selection and training process which the crew underwent. They had to undergo 3 years of training. So initially you have to write about the selection and the training process. How were they selected? How the training went on for 3 years? Everything had to be covered. They had to undergo 3 years of training first. It was not carried out in 1 day or 2 days or 1 week or 1 month. They had to undergo completely 3 years of training to take the boat out into the sea. So in order to take the boat from the harbor and into the sea, they had to undergo 3 years of training. Now the next point is navigation. How to move about in the sea, that is navigation. And how to communicate things to the nearest harbor in case there is a storm or in case there is a shortage of food. All that had to be communicated. Of course, food they would have taken all the necessary items, but what we have to communicate, what we have to do, all that we have to communicate. And weather predictions, how the weather is going to be for the day, all that had to be taken care of. So special training was given on navigation, communication and weather prediction. Moving on to the next, these 3 things were taught to them, and they were trained to repair things. In case anything goes wrong with the sailboat, they must be able to repair that. In case they have to deal with any emergencies, and if somebody falls sick, they have to give them medication, rest, all that they were trained. In case of an emergency, in case there is a storm, how to move the ship, all those emergencies they were trained. So out of 30 women, 6 were shortlisted based on their survival skill. Under any cost they have to live. That was the survival test given to them, and they were trained for 3 years. For almost 3 years of time they were trained. So this is what it is. This is what is the training given to them to make the expedition successful. That's all for the day. Thank you. Meet you in the next presentation.